Fartcoin price prediction. I won't waste a second of your time. Let's start. We have a massive amount of liquidations, 250k, 280k, 400 grand at 71.4 ish, which is the area that we are basically at right now. So if we break this low, we will liquidate a lot of weekends, which will be overall healthy for the market. And right now we are not really seeing shorts closing, we're seeing longs opening. So we really want to see these longs get liquidated. They just opened here with a very weak stop loss, so that we can get a better entry here. So game plan, we go here, I wait for shorts closed, and then we enter. This is the exact area that I'll enter in. You can see it in the video tomorrow. You see how this trade played out, and basically if you want to follow every single trade I have, I'll have a link to in the description below to my Signals chat with just 30 people. It's pretty fun. And if you want to learn how I trade, I'll have a link in the description down below for that. I made it super cheap, and I'm updating it this week as well. Love with all my heart, no financial advice. See you next video. Bye.